How to find trusted devices on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to iCloud.com and log into your iCloud account. Over here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. And then, tap on Manage Apple Account. You will then be brought to the Apple account page. Tap on Sign In below. On this page, scroll down and go to Account Security. As you can see, you can now view your trusted phone numbers and trusted device from here. You can also set up security keys from the options below. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily find trusted devices on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.